Turning your engine, A20DTH. Turning good, all compressions complete. At the front engines looks good, as you can see, no damage, no broken. Compressor looks good. Socket looks good, in good conditions. And on these sides, engines looks good, as you can see. Engine's turbo looks good, no damage, no broken. Gearbox looks as well, as you can see, all nice, all good. And on these sides, engines looks good, no damage, no broken. Starter look as well, all nice, all good. Altimeter looks good, no damage, no broken, all nice. And on the top, as you can see, all connectors looks good, no damage, no broken. Injectors looks good. And on the bottom, no cracks, no damage, no leaks, all nice, all good. And turning your engine, AJ562.